Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over the new Bixby features on the Galaxy S9. Now, if you want to know the top 10 features, the best features that you can possibly use Bixby for, I will leave that video in the link in the description, as we have done the 10 best ones, and still, those are still the best in my opinion. But let's check out the new ones. So first of all, we're going to go into most of them through the camera app, and that's double clicking the camera, power button, and now you have Bixby Vision right here. So with Bixby Vision, you have a lot of new features and some of the older ones. So overall with this, first we have the My Location one. What this does is it tells you what is around you, and if you point it down, it'll give you your specific location. So if I point it this way, it's going to have, it's kind of hard, it's going to have some food places, or destinations. So here is a Walgreens not too far away from me that is showed up on the map. And you can narrow this down by putting categories. So you can actually put categories for this and put restaurants, bars, coffee shops to give you a good idea of what's around you. Now, the reason why you might want to use this instead of something like Yelp is because of the fact that with this, you're going to have the ability to have a certain meter differentiation. So with Yelp, you know, sometimes it tells you something miles and miles away. And this is literally just what's close by you. So I do like that feature. You can also do the rating system and all that. So you have that ability for location around you. Now, you also still have the wine feature that was from before, and this is just literally taking a picture of a wine and it gives you information about it. You have the QR code scanner. So if you ever need a QR code scanner for your phone, you have it here. And then you have the picture one. Now the picture one basically tries to find something, say like on Amazon or Pinterest, and you can see this is a phone charger, this is a Nike logo is what it thinks that is, but you get little things that pop up that might be what you're looking for. So again, this just gives you an idea of how it works. It could be a case, it can be an iPhone or a Samsung, it doesn't know this is a charger, but that's the idea behind it. Now, probably the most useful one is definitely the translate feature. Now this instantly translates things. So the really nice part about this is you can just point it at something and then it will translate. So let's go this way, see if we can read actually horizontally. No, it has to be vertically. So you can point it at something, and the idea behind it is that it should be able to convert it into a different language, and it has converted it into Spanish. So you can just see that is the idea behind it. This is very small text, but obviously if you're trying to read something, it's really nice just to basically put something right in front of you and then instantly translate it as it did. So really nice to be able to have that live. Now this is powered by Google Translate, and Google Translate's own app can do this, but it's just nice to have it built in so you don't have to download a third-party app. And you can change the languages, of course, to whatever you want to detect, or just auto-detect, and then translate it into whatever you want to translate it to. And finally, you have the makeup one, which again, my front-facing camera is a little off, so it just doesn't get this right. But just so you can see, you can do lipstick, blush, eyeshadow, eyebrows, or the entire look of a difference. And again, it will not get my lips right, or well, it did for a second actually now, but you can see this how I look with makeup on and all these different kinds. So you can kind of see how it looks overall. I think this could be interesting, but again, obviously not for me, I'm not the clientele, but it's interesting. It is powered by, I believe, Sephora, and let's see, Sephora and whatever that one is. So yeah, you can just choose all of them, or you can only choose specific ones if you're loyal to a specific brand. And they have a pretty good selection. So again, it's just to see how something looks on. Let me know what you guys think about these features, and if you do find them useful, or if you think the original 10 best Bixby features are still the best. I do personally. I like the auto correction on there, and the quick commands to be able to do something is a really nice feature to do multiple steps with one word. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.